Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are covering Safemoon price predictions, we are covering Safemoon news, and on the end we are gonna look on the chart for Safemoon, and we will see what will happen to the price in the next 2 or 3 days. So please stay till the end of the video and subscribe to this channel so you can get updated daily what is happening with the small cryptos like Baby Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Safemoon, eCash, and you can also leave a comment on everything you think I need to cover and would be good for the channel. So let's continue. First of all, we're gonna look on CoinMarketCap and we can see that today cryptocurrency price by CoinMarketCap is down by 3.3% over the last 24 hours. We can see that the big gainers, that is Bitcoin and Ethereum, are steadily. This is a little dip from the last clip I showed. This is the new dip because it was around 0% or maybe 1 or 2% down. So we can see that the downtrend is continuing and that's following. Cardano was the only crypto that was up in these first five, I can say, and now it's following its footsteps and it's falling down. But we can see that maybe it's hitting the resistance. If you think that I need to cover Cardano, please leave a comment in the clip, and we can see if that's a good idea. So the Safemoon is a little worse than the global coin market cap, and it's down by almost 11%. We can see on this one-day chart that it has massive dip in the last 24 hours. It's like the massive dip in the last few hours, but that's okay. We can see on the 7 and on the 1 month chart that the price was in the downtrend all the way down, and that will be covered lately in the covering of the chart, but the volume has dropped also. But we can see that the volume is steadily dropping, and that's okay because every time it rebounds, and it shows that the SafeMoon has a lot of holders, and they are probably ready to invest more money when the price starts pumping. So we can see some articles on SafeMoon. It says the SafeMoon, this is the bad articles for SafeMoon, and it says SafeMoon remains in the downtrend toward the 0.501. SafeMoon price is avoid of any near-term bullish reversal pattern. Bears continue to have a tight and strict hold over the market. All Ichimoku indicator point to lower price. SafeMoon price is the clear downtrend without any reprieve inside. SafeMoon is hands down one of the ugliest and most bearish looking charts in the entire cryptocurrency space, except for some price spike and false rallies between August 18th and August 28th. There has been almost no period of time on the SafeMoon chart that one could consider the bullish. SafeMoon price continued downtrend slide, bears in total control. SafeMoon price is the textbook example of what an ultimate bearish Ichimoku chart look like. Every single requirement of a bearish outlook is fulfilled on the SafeMoon price chart. Only one oscillator gives any hope to some temporary stay of the relentless selling pressure on SafeMoon. The composite index has a regularly bullish divergence and it has closed above the slow and the fast moving averages. Generally, it's a good sign to sing of an incoming upswing. However, since the relative strength index continued to flounder near the 40 level support, does not seem likely. For bulls to invalidate the move, SafeMoon price need to return at a level above 2021 volume point of control at 0.403 or turn to 0.503 would also put the SafeMoon price above all these plans, creating conditions that would probably yield new bullish momentum. So this article shows that the SafeMoon has steadily with a lot of more indicators that I show you in the clip, but okay, this is a person that loves a lot of indicator, and says that all the indicators are pointing that the SafeMoon price would go further down, but we will see. We can expect in the next 1 or 2 days to see what is happening with the SafeMoon and what we can expect. The second article also explains a lower price than this article predicts, and you can see SafeMoon price favors bears with a downswing to 0.605. SafeMoon price is still stuck at a penitent around 0.50150. Price action look to be immune to any significant hand wind or headwind or tailwind by the cryptocurrency market. With the downtrend still intact, expect a break to the downside that favors the bears. Safemoon price has been stuck independent for almost 2 consecutive weeks now, with the downtrend still very much in play and no accurate signal for bulls trying to make the breakthrough attempt. Expect the unfolding of the pattern to be in the flavor of the bears. Safemoon price could dip up to 0.605. Safemoon price is targeting 0.605 on the downside. Safemoon price actions stay muted with the minimal movements, while other crypto and old currency are seeing much more of a volatility and volume. Safemoon is one of the outliers with little swing and volume fading little by little. Safemoon technical setup would be patent breakthrough looks to be going either way in favor of bulls or bears, but several elements look to be in favor of the bears. And overall trend is in the downside. Several simple moving averages are spelling more downturn, and any attempt from bulls to try to break out of deep being met and reversed in the next trading day. Bears are dictating the little volume that is left in Safemoon. Safemoon price follows the downside, which can only result in the retest of 0.605, which falls in the line with the historical low. Should Safemoon bulls succeed in finding some additional buyers and the volume for a squeeze on the short sellers, expect the first resistance to be the blue descending trend with around 0.50 to 20. With that said, the buyers will need to face many hurdles and get to that level with the same simple moving averages and the red descending top line from the penitent and the first issue to be overcome. So this article shows that possibly the price of SafeMoon is going down to 0.605. That price it would be, let's say, the all-time low, but we can expect from that price on that would be the great place to buy, because you need to know that the market is crashing all the time, and all markets are crashing all the time, and it happens this is happening very fast because this is a small crypto, and everything that happens affect it value a lot. Everything that happens affect on the good, and everything that's bad and that has no support affect price for the bad. And we can see this downtrend that's happening, we will see on the chart later. So we will see just few Reddit posts for the end. This is some guy posted on SafeMoon Reddit and says Operation Phoenix and the SafeMoon ecosystem. This is the long-term SafeMoon solution, and we can see, he said, I've been sitting back in the last couple of hours and collecting my thoughts on SafeMoon and Operation Phoenix, and I'd like to share what I've come up with. SafeMoon has been in talks with German ambassador since 2018, before SafeMoon token was a product. Since that time period, SafeMoon has created a token that implements tokenomics of the ability to turn volume into passive revenue for holders. SafeMoon CEO John Karony has mentioned the SafeMoon is not a token but an ecosystem of product that will continue to roll out over the next several months to years. The wallet is the most recent product released into the SafeMoon ecosystem. The 2 weeks ago, John mentioned that he, in a relationship to further SafeMoon and endeavors, is most excited for windmills. Welcome to the rabbit hole and my speculation for the SafeMoon ecosystem to come. We can see on this over here, this is the opinion on one guy, and it has a lot of followers and a lot of upvotes, and we can see that SafeMoon is in some negotiation with some Gambia mobile phone service or something like that, and that's good. And we can see that SafeMoon is mostly looking at the SafeMoon ecosystem for the long-term solution and long-term plan with the SafeMoon. So this is just some Reddit post on the SafeMoon creator. What if I told you there was an innovative tech in the turbine space as well, and that is fact. Those numbers you posted are from the old ways. Anything about mining SafeMoon has 3 lines of effort: building a SafeMoon product, adoption, more use cause for not only the token but our ecosystem. We innovated both the micro and the macro level. While there could be delay and hiccups, we learned from our mistake and we heard the SafeMoon army. We believe the SafeMoon is what it can do for the world. Looking forward to showing the world that we're been doing both publicly and behind the scenes. So he says that they have the plan, they're open to talking into ecosystem and some products and adoption. That's good, and we can look just on the chart for the end. This is the Safemoon chart 1 hour candle, and we can see this chart here, this site over here doesn't allow me to use some lines and explain what is happening right now, but I think I don't need to, because we can see from this point on, this is the 28th of August, or we can say from this point on, this is the 5th of September. This is 3 weeks period at the Safemoon price, or from this time over here is in the steady decline, and it has the downtrend, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This is the 5 time it hits this support here, and this descending triangle that is happening right here. We can say that it's finishing right now, and we can say that the RSI is following this downtrend, but we can see now that price is below 30 and it is oversold, and as it hits this every time it hits this support line, price is almost oversold. This time it was oversold but didn't go below this line over here, so you see that every time it's oversold. Maybe this time it break through, but that's a little spike, and every time it hits this price over here. So this is some of the resistance that I think it won't come to. Maybe we'll go to 0.501, but from that price on we can expect some probably with, because Safemoon has a lot of followers. It has a lot of people that is a lot of holders, a lot of followers on every social media, and that means that it has a lot of potential and a lot of people can invest money in. And if that happens, this price is just a pretty low price, and if hits, they said 0.50, 0.605, that would be the all-time low, and that's not that far away. That's like, this is 0.609, and I can see further below down. But of course, if even that happened, but I think it won't, the price will reflect from that. The people will invest money because the price is so low that it couldn't go much lower. So this is just the down point of the safe moon, and we can expect the price going from this point on. Maybe, of course, some little consolidation over the price over here and trend reversal, and we can expect the price above this price over here, which is 0.503585. So thank you guys again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a subscribe, and we will see in the next video. Bye.